Hello once more. This is Emperor Tembu Saked Botani Majola, the Emperor of Abatembu Nation. I'm now recording pillar number 4 of Imvuselo Lebatembu, which is the revival of our traditional norms and values, customs, amasiko nezithethe, and so on and so on. Now, this pillar is going to be the shortest because it has been explicitly explained in the in the Facebook messages that I've sent. It is a pillar that covers all artists, that is musical and the arts. It covers the traditional healers, izangoma. It covers the spiritualists like abefundisi bakwalizwi, the pastors and the bishops. It covers abathandazeli. It covers this and that and that and that. So the simplest way to participate, because it is a very diverse portfolio, if I can call it a portfolio. The simple way to participate is that you must simply write a letter and tell us who you are and what projects do you have on the ground. If, for example, you are a umtandaze, for argument's sake, you just send us a letter. Or if you are an artist, or if you are a group of artists, you send us a letter and say, these are the programs that we have on the ground. How can you help us to package these things in a commercially viable and in a commercially sustainable manner? Because there's going to be sustainability for anything to sell. So when it comes to this pillar number 4, that's really what we do. Again, we listen to you. You tell us what is happening in your area. Or if we sangoma, you tell us what you're doing and how can we package your thingy so that we enhance your business. We enhance all businesses. We don't choose anyone over another one. But what we usually do, we usually package them in a commercially viable and in a commercially sustainable and in a commercially profitable manner.